I'm wearing an experimental jacket. It hasn't been created by designers, but by chemists and experts in microelectronics at this Berlin institute. They want the jacket not only to generate its own energy, but also to store it to use in applications like this one. At these research facilities in Berlin, scientists dream of allowing us to produce our own energy while we walk. So they've combined very different nanomaterials into so-called energy harvesters. They've been designed to create energy out of, for instance, the movement of your feet.
We are dealing with two important points, small forces and low frequencies. So we've tried to develop energy harvesters that are efficient and suitable for both.
The energy produced needs to be stored for later use. So scientists from a European Union research project have created tiny, flexible and durable batteries that can be easily embedded into fabrics.
We had to introduce nanomaterials into the components used for the battery electrodes. These nanomaterials provide very high power density even to small systems, but they must also be processed well so that no agglomerates are produced. One of our main focus was then to succeed in printing these nanomaterials.
Both batteries and energy harvesters are made with a complex combination of nanofibers and ceramic nanoparticles, among other components. Quality controls at microscopic level were needed to ensure the components had the properties needed to create and store energy safely and efficiently.
During its charging and discharging phases, lithium-ion batteries go through different processes. Its lithium ions are subsequently intercalated and deintercalated, and these processes only work with a certain crystal structure. This is why it's very important to produce particularly pure crystal phases.
The final aim is to obtain microelectronic elements that can be easily embedded into fabrics.
Die Hauptherausforderungen sind eigentlich
The main challenge is to ensure the mechanical flexibility of the electronics, to make the electronics flexible and, at the same time, to make the batteries very elastic, so that the whole system retains its textile character.
Sehr dehnbar oder flexibel zu machen, damit das ganze System seinen textilen Charakter behält.
Researchers are now looking ahead with some practical uses for this technology.
Not only the pensioners, they get such stream of runs, so they are automatically.
With the batteries, we have adapted existing materials rather than developing completely new things. And above all, we have made a miniaturization, which results in very small batteries. And there we have already seen that there is a great interest from medical applications, medical technical applications.
Scientists say their innovative products could be ready for the shops in less than 5 years.